Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to do a fast walkthrough of a quick rotary clamp carrier. This particular clamp carrier is extremely clean and well maintained. It's rare to get a clamp carrier that is this clean because normally clamp carriers do have a lot of glue on them. This is a 14 section clamp carrier. You are going to have 6 clamps per section for a total of 84 clamps. You do have an 8.5 foot width capacity. You do have a pneumatic tensioner. There's your forward. Right here is reverse. Of course, you are going to have your pneumatic board flattener as well. To cycle it, you simply hit your cycle start button. And it's going to advance to the next row. That cycle is automatic. This machine is currently wired for 230 volt, 3-phase operation. And of course, you can also manually spin this as well. If you come in, you do have your rotate up, down, and so on and so forth for manual controls. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.